Boy, things have changed so much in Jamaica, right? Eh? You have the older generation living in the times we're calling new times with the new species of people and all kind of foolishness are going. And we're having to live through it. You see me? So this headline says that a triple murder just took place in Augustown in Jamaica, which we will get into the details in a minute. And one of the persons who were murdered is actually the son of the great reggae singer, dancehall singer, entertainer, Sanches. If you don't know Sanches, then you must not really know reggae music, especially from the 80s, 90s coming up. See? So, the son of popular artist Sanchez, whose given name is Kevin Anthony Jackson, was one of the three men who were shot dead in Bedward Gardens in St. Andrew in the early hours of Saturday morning. Jackson, otherwise called Kids Friday, have been identified as Sanchez's son. The other two victims have been identified as Rashid Edwards, also known as Buppy, a Mason, and 18-year-old Keno Ray, also known as Brian's, both of Bedward Gardens. Now, before you go and ask me why did you have to say that he was a Mason, or why did you have to say where they come from or what they do for a living, is just how them report the news in Jamaica. It's always been like that. All right. Sanchez is currently burying his mom, believe it or not, who passed away recently in Canada. Bridget Gardner Ivy is her name, and she died this month in Canada at the age of 74. And on the same day of Jackson's death, he is burying his mom. Jaja. So your son passed away while you're burying your mom. That's rough. Boy, I say it all the time, so when it rains, it pours, my friend. And sometimes, life throws all kinds of curveballs. You plan life out, but you don't really know how life are going to plan out. You understand what I say to you? You plan life out, but you don't really know how life are going to plan out. Because all who you think will outlive who is them you have to come bury first. And the thing is just backwards and upside down. You see me? Now, when the news of her death came, it is stated that Sanchez, veteran singer with a large discography and a close friendship with his mom, he was too upset to talk to the media. I haven't heard anything yet about what he has said about his son passing. His mother was a Christian woman, and this article also gives in-depth information about who Sanchez is. So we don't just talk about the death of his son, right? You can find out a little bit about the person himself in the meantime. Now, the article says that Sanchez is a gospel singer, but he's not. We all know Sanchez is not no gospel singer, but him sing good songs. Seeing one of the biggest songs them from back in the day, like he used to do covers and Lady in Red and them kind of something. The Lonely Won't Leave Me Alone, that's the biggest one. Oh, everywhere I go, always by my side. Lonely one, let me fall in love. Lonely one, leave me alone. Them song there? Yeah, SouFLo and no big singer still in, but trust me, I can reel off the song them off my head top because them song we grew up on. You seen? He did a cover for Tracy Chapman, Baby Can I Hold You, and just a bunch of different songs. The man worked with some of the biggest, most prominent musicians and producers in the business. We're talking about like King Jammies, Bobby Digital, Donovan Germain, and all them people that, and back in the 80s, coming up into the 90s, he was one of the most popular singers out of Jamaica. To this day, if you're going to draw for singers from Jamaica, then you have to draw for Sanchez as one of them. You understand? I saw interviews with him in recent times and glad to know that he was doing pretty well in life. It's always a good thing for see them not come out to be popped on our people and say, boy, I'm used to hot back in the 80s, and look how life rough for him, look how him look mash up now, and sometimes life deals with some underhanded blows, but Sanchez was one of them that was thriving in life, my friend, thriving and doing pretty well. And the police have identified, it says out of the Jamaica Loop News now, police have identified 3 men that were killed. Now listen to this, Listen to this, because there's something significant I want you to pay attention to here. All right? 3 men that were killed in the Bedward Garden community in Augustown, Kingston 6, on Saturday. Today is Sunday. One of the men is the son of the popular entertainer the police have reported. That is the son of Sanches. See? Kids Friday, otherwise known as Jackson. So them either call him Jackson or them call him Kids Friday. And along with 2 other friends. Police have confirmed that the 3 men were actually coming from a party. You know, Jamaica nice. You know, we've been locked down for quite some time under this whole COVID restrictions rule and thing, and Jamaica, out of everywhere else, was one of the places where you had curfews. And not only curfews, like people had to go in at them house by a certain time and you couldn't come out until next day certain time. So all the 24-hour partying into the late night stuff, that was gone. If you've never experienced them kind of vibes there in Jamaica yet, you don't have to be no bugo yaga to experience that kind of vibe, by the way. Let me tell some of you stush people that. See, you're just out a road late at night, you take in some music from a big sound, and you go check the jerk man and you get some, or you check the soup man and you get some soup, a cup of soup and them thing, they grab some food, whole of vibes, reason with some people and these things, way under the stars into the wee hours of the morning. It's just a vibes. And we weren't able to do that. So that's all they were doing. Now coming home from the party, them stop and say, boop, make we play a game of domino. And them start play a game of domino. Some people say gambling. I don't know if they were playing for money. I know they were playing a game of dominoes. And as they were playing dominoes, they were attacked. And it looked like they tried to run and they got gunned down. What this is about? Is it gang warfare in the area? Is it one of the youths them that was with him, or him himself that's involved in certain things? I don't know. Remember, recently, the lead singer of the prolific reggae band just lost his life as well under certain circumstances, right? And we were wondering, well, damn, them man they not really push no violence or nothing like that. Them man they are Rasta man with the Rasta vibes, and we come to find out that, you know, his son might be connected, as in reprisal wise, man can't catch quack or catch him shot kind of thing. So we don't know what this situation might be about here. Might be just wrong place, wrong time for this young man, Sanchez' son, so to speak. But the thing I want you to get is this. Reports are that about 4:50 a.m., early morning hours, party done, ya go home. The police responded to a call, and on their arrival, 3 men were discovered laying down along a dirt track road in the vicinity of a football field with what appeared to be gunshot wounds. They were assisted to the hospital, where all of them were pronounced dead. No one has been arrested in relation to these killings, and the Major Investigation Division is leading the investigation into this triple murder, and they are on it. They're doing their investigations, trying to find out, but they haven't got anything so far. Police also confirmed that the men were killed in the area where zones of special operation is in full effect. Hello? Knock, knock, knock. Wanna hear me? Police also have confirmed that the men were killed in the area where the zones of special operations are in full effect. Now, you've known for the longest, ZOSO, zones of special operation, is one of the means that they use to control crime and violence in certain areas in Jamaica. It's like you lock down the place under zones of special operations, so police can cordon off the area. Sometimes they put curfews in certain areas and they conduct searches, random search of vehicles and persons and these kind of things, you know, to quell the violence in certain areas. Well, this is one of those areas. So a lot of people are gonna ask now, so what the police them did there? Why this happened in a zone of special operation? How? Well, it ain't the first and it won't be the last. Me not gonna speak no more upon that. I will let you leave your comments in the comment section below. My condolences goes out to the singer though, because to lose your mom and who you're very close to, and then to lose your son in the same go while you're burying your mom, Mother burial day, you get news that your son is gunned down. That's gotta be rough. That's got to be rough, you know. But I believe the brother is a man of faith and he's very strong. So I just send some warm vibrations and some healing light and strength to the eye and hope say Sanchez pull through. Yes, I don't wish this on anybody, man. Karma. Could have never wished this upon nobody. Your mom, then your child. Nah, sir. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. And I'll catch you on the next video. It's SouFLoTV. Hit that subscribe button and get your membership for this channel. I'm out. Peace. It's Eat Good TV, y'all. If you like Jamaican food, but you're struggling to cook it the right way, then here's a channel that gives it to you step by step. You are guaranteed to be able to cook Jamaican food like a real Jamaican from this channel called Eat Good TV. Go over to Eat Good TV, hit that subscribe button, and try cooking one of those meals. She is real calm about how she does her stuff, and she makes sure that you get all the ingredients right. Eat Good TV. Hit that subscribe button over there and tell them SouFLoTV sent you. I've cooked a couple of meals off of Eat Good TV. Not because I can't cook Jamaican food because I am a Jamaican myself, but because sometimes I like to see something that I like cooked a different way. So nobody tell the lady that she can't cook because that is not how you cook it. We all cook it different way. Just go to Eat Good TV, hit that subscribe button and tell her I sent you.